Subscribe and press the bell icon first to see the latest video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Rinku, and I'm gonna teach you guys different technique for beginner and advanced level of art. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cute watermelon, step by step, how to sketch it and how to color it. For that, what you need: a pencil, eraser, paper, your paints and some brushes. So let's get started with our cute piece of watermelon. Right, so I took my paper horizontally and I'm going to start from here, from the middle of my paper. So what I'm doing here first, I'm going to make a small dot here. All right, very good. So now what we're gonna do from this dot, I'm making a diagonal line which will come all the way toward my left, and we'll do the same thing on the other side. So we'll bring another line all the way toward my right side. There we go, very good. Okay, now what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna connect this line to this line over here by making a slight curve. Great job. Okay, now what I'm doing here, I'm just making another line, bringing another line down both the side, and then making one more curved line which will go all the way from left to right and connect it here. Very good. Okay, so if some areas are a little bit wiggly lines, that's absolutely okay. Don't worry about that, because anyway when you're gonna color, it will hide, so don't worry. Okay, now we'll make some cute eyes inside the watermelon, and for that what I'm doing first, make a circle. Make a nice circle here, one, and leave some gap, and then make another circle here. Okay, there we go. Very nice. Make sure they're same kind of shape. Not one is not too big, one is not too small. And if you have making trouble making the circle, so you can watch my circle video. I'll put the link in the description. So over there I teach like how you can make a perfect circle, you know. All right, very good. Now what we'll do, we'll make another curvy line bottom which will overlap our bottom part of the circle. So it's curvy line but overlapping the bottom part of the circle. Same thing over here, curvy line and overlap the bottom part of the circle. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take my eraser and I'm going to erase this part underneath. So I'm using my kneaded eraser. If you do not have it, you can use your regular eraser. And then I'm going to erase all the extra area at the bottom. Good. Now if you have any line you accidentally erased it, you can just redo it. Great job. All right, now what we'll do, we'll make some make two circles inside, one medium and one small. Okay, again one medium, another one is smaller. Very nice, good job guys. Now we'll make the smiley here, and for the smiley I'm making a curvy line over here. Good job. Now I'm gonna make another two curve, like one curve at the end of the right side, another curve on the left side. It's kind of a C over here and it's the opposite C over the left side. So we'll make some seeds. For that you'll make a petal shape. See, you come, make a curved line, make a U-turn and go back to the point again. So let me show you again. One point will start, make a U-turn, come down, U-turn, and go back other side again. Can you make some more? Do not make more than 5 or 6 of them, okay? So if your watermelon is too big, then yes, of course you can make more than that. Other than, you can just make 5 or 6 of them. That should be perfect. Very good, well done. You're done with your watermelon drawing. Now what we'll do, we'll take our Sharpie and then I'm gonna trace all those lines. Make sure you go a little carefully and try to trace all the lines you have over here. Very good. Great job. Okay, now inside the eyes, what I'm doing here, I'm making a curved line first here. First I'm tracing all of them, and after that I will color them inside. Now trace all the seeds you have. Alright, now we're done tracing everything. Now what we'll do, we'll color inside the eyes, but we'll not color inside that medium and the small circle. So you color over here and make sure there is no other white spot than this medium and the small circle. Great job. I'm gonna color inside the seed as well. So fill inside the seeds like this. So we are almost done tracing our outline and filling all the gaps. Now what we're gonna do, we'll take our eraser and erase those extra lines here. Now we will color this, and then for coloring this one we need our red for this top part and we need our green for the bottom. Also kids, if you were interested taking my personal lesson, definitely go visit my website. I put it in the description. So I teach a lot of different mediums: oil pastel, watercolor, color pencil, acrylic, pencil sketch. So if you're interested in any of them, please do contact me from there. First what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my red and I'll just color over here. See how slowly I'm coming down. There we go. You can go over it, but make sure don't go inside the eyes. My color just went a little bit inside the eyes, but you guys try not to do that. You can just color all the other areas. If that happened accidentally, that's okay. We can use our white later and fix the problem. Take your red, then go over everything. Make sure go a little careful while you're close to the eyes. Very nice. Good job, guys. Alright, so we're almost done with this part. Make sure no white spots over here. And we are done. Beautiful, very nice. Okay, now you take your green and we'll color the bottom part of the watermelon. And what I'm doing here, it's very important to do color only half of it. Okay, do not color inside this area, because if you notice that in watermelon we do have some white area over here. Okay, so you color all the way to the left, from left to the right, and then leave some gap over here. And when you're done coloring, just wash your brush and make sure you have no color in it, and you just take your brush and then go over here on top of the green line you just made over here. Okay, so what it will do, it will create an illusion of it's blending down nicely. Now I'm going to take my little bit darker green and color just this bottom part a tiny bit more. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you'll never miss the videos which I upload every week. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know if you want to see some other videos. Alrighty, so that's it for today, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next episode. Bye bye. Guys, don't forget to like the channel, share the video, and subscribe the channel. Let me give you a bonus tip. So you can make some more seeds outside of the watermelon. So you can make a couple of them laying down here. With your Sharpie and color them in.